The state legislature set to take up several bills that would ban and criminalize certain abortion procedures. Lawmakers in both chambers are working on plans, but the plans making their way through the state house and Senate are aimed at essentially doing the same thing. Now, the bills being discussed in both chambers would ban the procedure dilation and evacuation. It's also known as D&E. It's the most frequently used abortion procedure during the second trimester. Now, according to the state health department, nearly 1,800 D&E abortions were performed in Michigan in 2017. People against the procedure call it, quote, barbaric. Now, those against the bills say D&E is safer for the woman and has fewer complications than other abortion procedures. Now, the bills being discussed would also make D&E abortion a crime here in Michigan. Any doctor convicted of performing the procedure could face up to 2 years in prison. The legislation is expected to run into roadblocks. Governor Gretchen Whitmer has vowed to veto any bills that reach her desk that restrict access to abortion. Now, several other bills in both chambers from lawmakers who support abortion rights have been introduced. Now, they would repeal a 1931 law that makes abortion illegal in Michigan. The proposed bills were introduced to ensure abortion remains available in the state. That's if the U.S. Supreme Court overturns Roe v. Wade. Last month, Attorney General Dana Nessel said she expects the more conservative High Court to overturn Roe someday. Now, she said if that happens, she'll never prosecute a woman or doctor for terminating a pregnancy. The state's drug problem not getting any better. Michigan now ranks second in the country in terms of drug use. That's according to a new study published by personal finance website Wallet Hub. Now, the study compared all 50 states and the District of Columbia. It ranked them across 22 categories, including overdose rates, arrests, opioid prescriptions, and others. Now, Michigan ranks 12th in share of adults using illicit drugs in the past month. We were 16th in that category for teenagers. The state also ranks 15th in drug overdose deaths and 10th in opioid prescriptions per capita. Now, the second place ranking is 2 spots higher than we were just last year in 2018. Washington, D.C. takes the #1 spot. This is the 3rd straight year the nation's capital tops the list. According to Wallet Hub, Minnesota, Hawaii, Iowa, and Kansas are among the states with the lowest rates of drug use.